us, yeah, we stand so tall. Through the dark and through the night, we answer the call. With courage and with fire. In the heights where the eagle soars.
स्टाफ द्वारा यूनिट प्रशंसा पत्र प्रदान किए जाएंगे। यह सम्मान उन यूनिटों को प्रदान किया जाता है जिन्होंने ऑपरेशंस, खेल, प्रतियोगिता तथा नागरिक सहायता के क्षेत्रों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन।
Battalion, the Ladakh Scouts, Colonel Saurabh Singh Tathai, Subedar Major, Honorary Lieutenant, Sivan Nordpur.
In the chill of the night, our spirits ignite. With the stars as our witness, we're ready to fight. Brothers in arms, we share every pain. For the pride of our nation, we'll never wait. Newness, oh newness, fearless and bold. Guardians of the valley with hearts made of gold. Through storm and through struggle, we rise above. With honor and valor, united in love. From the peaks to the plains, we carry the flame. In every challenge faced, we'll never be tamed. With the strength of our heritage, we forge our way. For the future we dream of, we'll fight every day. Newness, oh newness, fearless and bold. Guardians of the valley with hearts made of gold. Through storm and through struggle, we rise above. With honor and valor, united in love. The true and the free, in the heart of Ladakh we write history. With every step forward we honor our name. As newness, the warriors forever aflame.